So this is another box supposed to be easy, but we figured out for the last two that they were not. So let's go ahead and rust scan this guy and see. When I see easy, I'm saying like, you know, port 21 is wide open and you get in and you just get to root somehow. Yeah, the last two of them have said they're easy. Ascertainment, thank you very much for the subscription for the last 6 months. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this one is all about. This one's called School on VulnHub. We'll get it. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's go ahead and curl that. I mean, the school's already wrong. They're using student attendance. Okay, they're using Telnet, so they're already wrong. All right, at least it was closed. I mean, that's good, right? Kind of, not really. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's check out that website. Oh, it froze. Yeah, download Obsidian. Okay, we get a username and password. Let's try admin. Let's try admin or 1 = 1. Okay, we got it. Okay, so we got it through SQL injection. I did not see that coming. Okay. You know what? Okay, so this was turning out to be easy so far, right? So let's go ahead and let's log out. And I'm actually going to take notes on this one so I can actually put that up. So we'll say boxes, VulnHub. So we have, oh yeah, DZ, you see this? School, right? Then we're going to put that up here. Boom. Okay, very first thing that we did is we get to our map, right? Yeah, close enough. Good enough for government work. DZ, will this ever go away? Like if I delete this, right? Like I don't want just that pasted image down there. But if I delete that, that deletes this. Is there like a way to like get rid of that? Just wondering. Or if anyone else knows that uses Obsidian. Okay, so we check out that port 80, right? Boom, what's port 80? Then from here, okay, so go ahead and throw that in there. And we get in. Okay, cool. So now, let's go and see what we got here. We got faculty, John Smith. I feel like that's a sample. Okay. Got classes. Okay. Subjects. Okay. Courses. Okay. Dashboard. Attendance reports. Users. Admin. Okay. Add in a user. Let's go ahead and go to manage account. See if we can. Damn. Okay. Page equals. Is there something we do with this up here? Okay, let's try it like this. Okay, let's go ahead and throw an A in there and throw a SQL map at it. Okay. Nothing there. All right. Can we edit a course? See if we can put like a picture or something like that here. What if we edit that? Can we delete stuff? We can, okay. Can we create a new one? Search. Okay, nothing like that. New faculty. Okay, that doesn't really matter. New student. Okay, so we got 2 students here. Those days are different. We got Claire Blake and George Wilson. What do I say that they're present? Okay. Attendance record update after that. Okay, it says that they're both present. All right. I can edit it from there. Okay. Then we just have these 2 people. And I can't really edit much on there. User type. Okay. So now we just kind of need to figure out where the hell to kind of go from here. So we have a student attendance, right? I'm wondering, we're already in the system here. Let's go ahead and see if we have any backup databases, if we have any, what we actually have here, right? So let's go ahead and grab this like right here. Let's run Fear Buster on it. We can run all those because it's connected to us, so it should be a pretty easy day. Whoops, that I shouldn't be there though. Okay, let's see if we get anything weird here. Okay, we do get a dbconnect.php. Okay. I wonder if that's showing nothing though there. Okay. We do also have database down here. Let's go ahead and check out database, see if we get anything. Okay, student attendance. All right, we did just say actually save some of that. Let's go ahead and move downloads to right here. Okay. Okay, we have a admin hash here. Maybe I'll do crack that. So it's not like it really matters. Well, it might matter. Let's see if we can crack this hash. I think it's MD5, correct? Okay, so it's admin123. So that's his login, like right there is admin123. Do we really care about that though at all? Unless if somebody else. So we get to admin, right? Okay, let's go ahead and. So we have that. That's the only thing we got there. Okay. Next up, PHP question mark site settings. Is that a real site? Ah, okay. So we can actually get an image in here. Okay. So is a little bit easier already. All right, there's that. Now, where's the web? There we go. I wonder if it's only image files. So it's looking at anything. It's looking at all files. So I wonder if there's any filter system for it. If there's any type of PHP filter or anything like that. Filters for it. But let's find out, shall we? So let's go ahead and okay. So we'll throw in our IP address there, right? Go ahead and show this like right here. Then we'll go ahead and we'll show this like right here. Okay. From here, let's go ahead and let's try to throw it into here. We'll browse for, this is VulnHub, right? That's what's called school. We got shell.php, let's try test, test.test.com, test, test. Okay. Let's go ahead and start a listener. Let's see what happens here. Save. Okay, so successfully saved. All right. Now we just need to find where it actually uploaded to. Let's go and check out my. Oh, no, we don't. There we go. All right, cool. So we're good with all that. Let's go ahead and get a full shell going here. Make my life easier, right? Okay. All right. So we have Fox on here. Okay. So let's go ahead and cd to var www html. Little greptech rw for Fox. Oh wow. Localhost Fox. Trawler. What the hell is that? I'll try it. No. Okay. See what we got here. We've already seen the database, so that's not like it really matters. Okay. See if we have anything with that, like right there. Okay, we have something to opt. Access.exe. You gotta be fucking kidding me, right? You really do, right? You have to be freaking kidding with me. I don't. I don't want to do this again. Are we literally about to do another buffer overflow? At least we have a file. DC's just laughing. Yeah, loser. Okay. At least we already have a file, right? We already have the file and everything. So Do we really want to do this like right now? Yeah, he really does. And I didn't even pick him from like the same maker. That's the whole thing. It was just like random boxes that I just grabbed. I guess he made them all, but I just don't understand why he did that. Okay. And this time the shell code is gonna have to be Windows, right? And then we're gonna be in a wine shell again. But I wonder if once we get into wine, if we'll be root and wine shell. All right, well, let's grab, you know what? Let's go and grab it. What box did we just do again? What the hell is it called? It was called Call Me? No. Was it Call Me? No. That was totally different. What the hell is that box called again? Let's start. There we go. I just don't want to do it again, that's all. Like, I just... Okay, let's go ahead and start off with an offset of 2000. Let's go ahead and start off with the port is going to be, I guess, 23. Because that was the only port that was open, right? That's how I'm going to go. I'm going to go with port 23. We can go ahead and actually just do that. Our host is, I don't remember, 60 now. Good thing I didn't close C. I would have made more map, but would have closed that Windows. Okay. That's probably not going to be the jump point. You know, I shouldn't have gotten rid of it. I should have said, yep, that's the jump point. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can get this back over the machine. Okay. Could we actually copy access to var www.html? Okay, we can. Okay. Huh, weird. We already have one up and running. Wonder where that came from. How are those files called again? One is called access.exe, the funcs access.dll. Okay. So both those are now over here, right? So let's go ahead and open those ones now. We will go with the desktop of Ryan's desktop. Access. Yes, please. Let's go ahead and get this up and running. All right. You guys already saw me change that file, so I'm just going to send it off and see if that shuts it down. Did it shut it down? Did it shut it down? No, it did not. Shitty day. Okay. Damn. That was 2,000, right? Okay, let's go for, I'm just going to change it up to 3,000 since you guys literally just watched me just do this 30 minutes ago. So I'm just going to change it up to 3,000. Then we're going to send that off. Still running. Okay. Why is it still running? Is it actually running though? Huh. Oh, you want to know why? Because I'm setting to do the same exact thing I did last time, where I set it to the actual Linux machine and not to the Windows machine. Same exact thing I did last time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're watching on YouTube, just watch the video right before this one, the netstat video. All right, so we do overwrite it right there, right? Can we get this any bigger for you guys? I think font 7 is the biggest one, right? No, font 7 is not the biggest one. It just makes it sound like it's going to be the biggest one. Okay, this is actually is not changing anything. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, cool. So, yep, we overwrote. Okay. Okay, found 2 pointers. Let's go and grab that pointer link real quick. I was gonna do this number again, just kind of copied over to my machine since we actually just did this. So our jump is going to be 65 or 625012 D0, right? That's all false for everything, right? D0, yes, okay. 625012 D0. Okay, cool. What's up, Fields, bro? How you doing? All right, so we got that right. So now let's go ahead and let's find the, let me see here. Let's find the exact offset, right? So there we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's find the exact offset now. Don't know if we actually need 3,000. It might only be like 2,000 or something like that. But let's go ahead and give this a try now. Not times the offset. We do not want that times the offset. I'll tell you that much. Okay. So let's go ahead and throw this at it now. We'll see what we get. Let's go ahead and start the CI back up first, though. One second. I think I just heard a knock. All right. Sorry about that. All right. So Let's go ahead and let's send off these bad bytes now. Let's get this guy started up. Oh, whoops. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and send that off. And it should have crashed, correct? Of course it didn't. Why would it? That would have been freaking sweet. It is going up the correct IP address and everything. It is running, okay. Let's go ahead and try to set that off one more time. Okay, for some reason it is not crashing. Seems like it is. Control F2. Okay. F9. Okay. 3000 should definitely do it, right? I mean, that's what we just did, right? So, there's no reason why it shouldn't do it. $3,000 characters should definitely take it down. Try one more time here. It seems like 3,000 characters is not taking it down, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it to like 5,000 characters, I guess. Don't know why 3,000 characters is taken down, 3,008 took it down, but hey. I'm not that smart. Okay, I feel like it's not getting over here because I'm definitely setting off 5,000 now. Let's go ahead and check the IP address like real quick on this guy just to make sure. Yep, 192.168.0.59. And for some reason, 5,000 isn't even taking it down, isn't even crashing it. So if we look at the script over here, 192.168.0.59 shellcode equals this guy right here. That whole damn thing, which is supposedly 5,000 characters. Okay. Copy that. Yep, that looks about the same. It's connected to our host, the port. Shellcode is all that. So that should technically be it. Unless this computer's just sick of getting shut down or something, I don't know. But it still did shut down. Okay, let's try to bring the number down because I know sometimes if you send too much, almost, they could mess it up. So let's do like 2,000. Let's try something like that. This shouldn't do anything crazy, but let's try it. Now I'm just going to send it off. That'll look like real quick, see if it did anything. Be amazed if it did. And it did not, of course. Okay, so for some reason, 3,000 A's worked just fine. But whenever I send that guy off, it doesn't want to even want to shut down. I'm wondering if some of these are, no, there's, okay. Let's go ahead. Let's send A's again, right? Let's try to send 2,000 A's and see if that shuts it down. Maybe there's something else going on here in the background that we don't know. Okay. Okay, so that's very, very strange. DZ, if you could please explain this one for me, because that is extremely strange, and it did shut down this time. So if I go back, right, we have, it did shut down, and there's all of our A's like right there. And then we literally just send 2,000 So we're gonna have to like work our way around this. Okay. So we can send 1800 at it, then start to work in between those two numbers. Let's go ahead and try that. So I'm just gonna kind of just leave it on my screen. Iberus. Damn, hey. Thank you very much. Thank you a lot. Alright. Let's go ahead and let's get it back to Cali over here. Yeah, and all the easy boxes are doing right now. Okay, so I don't know why it's doing that, but let's go ahead and bring it down to, let's say, 1800, right? Also, thank you for the follow also. Okay, like how you subscribe. You subscribe with Prime sub before you were followed, though. I do like that. All right, let's go ahead and bring it down to 1800. Let's see if that. I'm just gonna be hopping back and forth, bringing it back online, then trying to see if it crashes again, and just kind of work my way into like right where it's actually crashing at, since it doesn't want to crash with the other thing. Okay. I don't think it does because whenever I do it, right, if I take this and I throw it into here, there's no new line there. See what I'm saying? Let's try it real quick. So we don't have to freaking sit here and work around the whole thing. I'm just gonna see like real quick if that's gonna work or not. Nope, it didn't shut it down. So the same exact thing that A would shut it down with, that one didn't. So you're thinking, see, I'm thinking too, it might be, I'm thinking the same thing. It might have a bad bite in it, huh? So can you actually take out bytes in MSF? Okay, let's try this. Is that exactly what it already creates up here? No, it's not. Let's try something like that. Let's see what happens with something like that. What do you filter for bad characters? Either before or after this. Either one. This shouldn't have bad characters because there's not an actual character that you're setting off. You're not setting off something like this up here. You're not doing that. So let's try something like this. Let's see what happens if I do run something. I've never ran something like this before, where I created my own. Ooh, that crashed it though, DZ. Okay, so we'll show. Alright, so that did crash it. And we can see that it's at 3165.4. So I'm just going to copy that over to my own thing. I know it looks weird like right now on screen. Give me 1 second so I can just put this in there. 3165.4233. 3165.4233. Okay. It's the 0A? Okay. So it's 0A in the actual little thing. Like I've never seen it do that before though with that. Even when that's a bad character, that's weird. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop back over to my Python here. Okay, and we can go ahead and try to figure out where this number's at. MSF pattern offset. TAC S would have been ABC, DEF 123, just like they have on there. TAC Q was 2000. TAC L was this. Okay. That was our set, right? ABCDF 123. TAC L 2000, ABCDF 123. TAC L. Oh, wait. Oh, crap. Okay. TAC L's 2000. Whoopsie daisy. Query is. I'm like, wait, what a minute. Well, I would be able, should be able to figure this out in a second. Okay, exact offset. It's saying is 1979. It's one of these. So it's one of those offsets like right there, huh? So we can start trying those different offsets like right there. So let's go ahead and throw the 1898, I guess, into it. We'll try with that one, and we'll see if it crashes. If it does, then we know it's lower. Let's say, let's throw 1817, because that's a pretty big jump like right there. So let's throw 1817 into it. If it crashes, then we know it's lower. If it doesn't, then we know it's higher, right? All right. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to keep throwing it at it until we finally get either another crash or whatever else. Actually, go ahead and actually, there we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and throw this at it. See if that worked. Okay, so 1817 does not work. Let's try 1898. No, it's going to be 1898. Let's try that one. See if that works like right there. Okay, 1898 does work, okay? So it's not. It's not really complicated. This one's going to be a pain. So between 1817 and 1898 now, right? So let's go ahead and start to break this down. Let's go smartly to 1890. Someone just, hey, Steven Betts, thanks a lot for the follow. I'll say I can't go over to the Chrome one because of YouTube and everything. All right. Now let's go ahead and let's do this a little bit smartly. 1890. We got to start back up first. Okay. Now we can go ahead and try to set it off with 1890. So 1890 showed us what? $18.90 is still running. Okay. What was the other one? 1898. But did we already try that one? It did shut down. Should we try that? 1894, you're thinking? Try that. Okay, there we go. That worked good. Well, It didn't. But we're getting there. We're getting there. It's not 1891. Not 1892. So it has to be even? But 1894 does work. It's the very first one that actually works. But it's not overriding EIP. Why? Why is it 4444 working this time? That's super freaking, that's super weird of why it's not working this time. Hey, Spence Adolf, thanks a lot for the follow. But why? Okay, let's try go down numbers. Start from 1880 and work our way up. The first time I've done something dumb. I'll let you guys know when. Nope. This is one of the first time I've ever done this. Nope. Nope. Say that, yeah, it's got override 4. Okay, I see what you're saying. We can jump by 4s or whatever. It's actually not a bad idea. Yep, so it can't be 1884, but that'd be 1888 and all that crap, huh? Like it would have to go up like that, huh? This thing still hasn't crashed yet. Here goes Sona. Hey, thanks a lot for foul. I might have to go to bed soon too. I did not think that we were going to be. Oh, we have 1902. Okay, I did not see that coming. 1902 is what we got on that one, and we overwrote the EIP. All right, so we know that is now 1902. Now we need to figure out the bad bytes, send those up. At least we know what the hell that is now, right? That took forever. Way too long. Alright, we already have a jump point. We already have all that stuff and everything. Let's go ahead and get our bad bytes now. Okay. Let's go ahead and send this up now. We go ahead and restart the program real quick. Okay, now we can go ahead and set this guy up with the bad bytes. And we'll see where this goes to. Yes, I already got rid of the input from before also. So that's already done. Okay. So we just set up bad bytes and everything. We crashed the program. Let's go ahead and file and dump. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, 10, 17, 18, 19, 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, 20. 4D is bad. 4D looks bad so far. So we gotta get rid of 4D, set it back up again, and try that one again, right? And then we'll see what's going on from there. So it's either 4D or 4C. That's a problem, like right there. But we'll try 4D first. Let's go ahead and get rid of that one first. 4D. Okay, now we gotta set it back up again. I just deleted the Python script so you guys know. That's all I'm doing. That's all I did. Okay. Should just crash again, right? 4D was it? So 4C, 4D, 4E, 4F now. Okay. So let's get rid of the 4s. Got it. Okay. Actually, let me start typing these in too. Hey, Alex, bro, how you doing? Okay. Let me go. Might as well just do this too. That's what we have so far. 4D and 4F so far. Right. Okay. Let's go and set this up. Let's see what we got now. Okay, get all the way up to 5E. So that means 5F now is bad. Geez, there's a lot of bad bytes in this one. Okay. Am I actually hacking? I no. Not like right now. No, not at all. We're actually playing a video game. Alright, let's see here. So let's go ahead and set it up again. So we got 78, so 79's bad. I'll see you later, Alex Brew. Alex Bro. Okay. Alex Broad, thanks a lot for the follow. Alright, let's go ahead and, so 79 is bad. Oh, man. This was going to take a minute. Okay. I think the worst part is like starting it back over every single time. Okay. The worst part is that you know we're going to get in, we're not going to be root. That's the worst part, like right there. Because it seems like it's the same person repeatedly that made these boxes. 7D, 7E is bad. Jesus fuck. Whoever wrote this program did a horrible job. I've seen a couple bad bites before, but nothing like this. This is kind of insane. Okay, let's try this one now. I thought I got rid of 70. D bad. And it's making 7E look bad. We're just going to get rid of both. How about that? See if it's making it look bad, because that could also happen too. So the by in front of it will actually make the other one look bad, but it's actually not. Okay, now it's just being a fucking cock. Because now it's saying 7C is bad. So which one's actually bad? By the time we're done, we're not going to have any bites left. Now say, okay, I don't think that's actually bad. I don't know if that one's actually bad. So we're just going to try to send it off like that. We're going to see what happens from there. Because I don't think those ones are all... You know what's actually probably breaking it? It's probably not those ones. It's probably actually 7F that's actually breaking it, huh? It's probably 7F that's actually breaking it. Because that would be the only thing that makes sense, because 7F is the next one every single time. So let's go ahead and add those guys back in. At least a couple of them. And we'll see where we can go from there. So it's actually probably 7F that's actually breaking it. And these ones are actually probably good. Let's go and try that like right there. We'll leave 7E out of there. 7E and 7F out of there. We'll send that off. Okay. Let's go and try that like right there. I'll just let you guys know what I see. Yep, it was 100% that 7F that was actually messing it up. Because now it's getting down to FF. All right, cool. So we get all the way down to FF now. All right, just so you guys can actually see it. There you go. As you can see, we're getting all the way down to FF like right here. So also, just so you guys know, don't just take that as a, oh, we made it. The reason I'm doing that like right now. Really? That's pretty cool. But I don't really want that, Spencer, because if I go to YouTube to actually be able to change music or whatever, it's going to follow it over there, and then I get in trouble. You know what I'm saying? That's why I sit there and I'm like super careful about all that stuff because I don't want to go back over there. Okay, so now we got over to FF, but it could actually say like B0 like right here. That means that that byte is bad. So don't just think like, oh, it's at FF. It made it. Don't ever think that. You still want to go through the whole thing. I feel like we went through the whole thing though. We could still go through it. We see that everything looks good. Okay, cool. So now, I think I actually knew about that one, but I don't really. Ah, okay. Well, I also only have one monitor, so that doesn't help. And my desk is super small, so. Alright, let's go ahead and maybe whenever I move back to States and I get two monitors, stuff like that, I'll do something like that. Alright, let's go ahead and create our. So we know what our bad bytes are now, right? So now we need to do our MSF Venom, right? This one's going to be Windows though. Is it? We got our jump. It should be just a Windows. I'll reverse these feet, right? And then our L host, our L port. Okay, now for our bad bytes, which is a bunch of them. Actually, do something like this, like right here. Then we'll just kind of. Right, we want like that, right? Exit function equals thread, which will safely exit. Oh, and 7F. 7F was the one that was giving us all the problems, wasn't it? Okay. Cool. Okay. There's all that. We're probably. We'll leave it like that for now, see what happens. But we may need to change it to where. Kind of like how we added the other ones last time. Why is it being weird? Okay, for some reason, like, it's not doing anything over there. Okay, so there we go. Oh, Windows 1, a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Factory, how you doing? A little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. Let's go and get that knob sled going. Okay. And this should be going to 60 now, right? And that should be pretty much everything right there. That should be factory. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Alright, that should be every single thing that we need right there to be able to send off at it and get a reverse shell, I think. Don't know yet. So let's go ahead and get our listener going. I did for 4445, did I? Yep, okay. And damn. Okay, it is 192.168.0.60. 192.168.0.60, go to port 23, boom, boom. We did just added that DOP sled. Don't know if we actually need that. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. We actually need our jump address now. Where's our jump address? Oh, I never added a jump. That's probably why. It's gonna be a little difficult when you don't add jump, huh? D0. 1, 2. Nope, that's not our jump. This is our jump, like right here. That's the old jump. I'm gonna say, man, that looks familiar. That's a weird jump address, isn't it? Oh, it looks weird to me. It's like no letters in it. Okay, let's try it. Let's go look at the motor modules like real quick again. And see if there's anything weird in there. Yeah, okay, it doesn't look right to you either. Yeah, me neither. As soon as I typed in that jump address, I'm like, that doesn't seem correct. Okay, let's look back at it one more time here. 'Cause that does not look right to me. There it is, like right there, right? One second. Let's go ahead and do the. Okay, let's go ahead and type in the weird Mona command here that we could do with if we have the DLL. So we're gonna say Mona. Fucking. I'm going off my other one also in case you guys want. Because I always forget the command. Phi tac s xff xc4 tac ab, and then the DLL file, which is the funcs access.dll. Right? Okay, that's D0625. Okay, I think I might just messed up the numbering scheme back over here. Let me see if that's what the case is. Yeah, that's not right at all. I don't know where the hell I got that from. I don't know what the hell that even is. Okay, so I don't know what the hell that is. Okay, so 62501, 6250112, 625.012, D0 I think it was. 625.012 D0 and DD. There's another one that will say that thing. And it was DD. That looks better. I don't know where the hell I got that. Whatever that was that I have no idea where the hell I got that from. Okay. I'll have to rewatch my old video to see where the hell I got that from. Okay, so X, we'll say D0, X12, X50, X62. Okay. So we're going to go from the offset, right? From the after that offset, then we go into the jump, right? Plus jump, plus the knob sled, plus our shell, right? You deleted your jump edge? No, I didn't. It's right there. Offset's right there. What do you mean? A times the offset plus jump plus knob plus shell. I think you're seeing stuff. Oh, I deleted. Okay. Now let's go ahead and set it off. There we go. And we're back in wine, of course. Okay. All right. CD to root. We couldn't really do that last time. Okay. Are we done? There we. Okay, cool. We're done. Actually, we did it. Cool. Let's go ahead and let's actually do our exact command we did last time. Actually, since I now have escape wine. Let's see if this actually still works on this guy. And we are root. Okay, cool. Easy day. Yeah, that one wasn't hard. It was just all the. Can I do a quick recap of the process? Dear God, no. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so quick recap of the process. So we ran our rust scan, right, obviously, and we got into the machine through this school site up here. All right. When we looked at this site, like right here, we looked at source code, right? We were able to get into this with SQL injection, admin, apostrophe, tac, right? Once we got here with the page source, we found this index.php site settings, went to there, and realized that we could upload a file. There was no type of filters for that. So we uploaded a PHP file, got a reverse shell. Once we got the reverse shell, from there, we then found this executable file, this access.exe in the opt folder. I always like to look at opt because there's not supposed to be anything in there, right? So I went to lstack in the opt folder, saw this access.exe, and also this functions access.dll, copied those to the web server, downloaded them, got them on the Windows machine, and started to work at the reverse shell from there, or the buffer overflow, realized that it was acceptable, found the offset and everything, had to do some weird MSF pattern stuff with it because it was breaking the program. So we ended up finding the offset, and then from there, after you find the offset, we found the jump, found the bad bytes, and just kind of went from there. Access.exe, no, we just, yeah, that was running in wine, but we just copied it over to the web server so we could actually just bring it back to ourselves more easily. It was actually running an opt. So if I see, so it was actually in here. We just copied it over to the web server just to make our lives easier. That's all we did. Yep. Yes, it was. It was listing on port 23. But something else that we probably could have done. Let's see. I'm just going to throw it at it and just see if it works. I just want to see. I'm not even going to check if it's going to do it. I'm just going to see if it works. Okay. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. I'm just throwing it at it, see if it is. And there's another way to route. We actually didn't have to do any of that, but it's an older box. That's another way. 4034 CVE 2021 4034.py. Another way to route. So we actually didn't have to do any of the buffer overflow. We didn't do anything. You know what? In that first one that we did, remember when we used that? I bet you there's a buffer overflow in there somewhere. In the first one that we did on this. But I'm going to go to bed now. Let's go ahead and check out InfoSec Stream, see what's going on with that.